Konnichiwa, everyone. My name is Anime Eternal, and I am smarter than you. Today is a joyous day, my beloved audience, for today we celebrate me and the debut of my long-awaited, oft-requested YouTube series, I Am Smarter Than You, the world's most accessible anime review show. Now, I pray you'll forgive my abruptness, but I have two surprises for you. Firstly, we won't be discussing an anime here today, but instead peeling back the layers to the riddle of the enigma that is Metal Gear Solid 2: Sons of Liberty. But of course, you knew that from the video title, didn't you? And secondly, we won't be discussing that either, because there has been another incident with Daryl. Ah, Daryl. Long have you been the Moriarty to my Holmes, the Macduff to my Macbeth, the Bowser to my Mario. Perhaps you'll understand that one, my beloved audience. Daryl, Daryl, Daryl. Your hubris is unbecoming of one of your station. Just because you finish your work early, you get to go home, while I must continue to slave away after closing time? These hands were not made to stock Walmart shelves alone, like an animal. Do you people, if I can truly call you that, not realize that there are literally tens of people online right now who desperately need my guidance? Without my anime reviews to educate them, these empty vessels will be cast adrift within their own lives and inevitably spiral out of control, while Daryl's mere 5 children can certainly survive another hour without their father. So I ask you, who has the moral authority here? And furthermore, where is the justice? As always, I leave you, my beloved audience, to contemplate this. Thank you for listening, and I will see you soon. This is Anime Eternal, and remember, I am smarter than you.